Welcome back to Rudetorials. This will be cut 3, I guess, whatever. 4, whatever. Okay, so say you got a sentence that uses a lot of the same words over and over and over and over and over and over and over. So like of, or, the, stuff, words like that. And you kind of wanted to keep the rest of the sentence there and just keep it cool. And so we got this little rotate animation. Ugh, sorry. I just realized I kind of messed it up. What kind of experience or activity of communication have you had outside of class? Question mark. This one's going to be a pain. But yeah, and I just copied the background from the other ones. Ugh. See, if you rotate it, you can see that they're just lying flat where the active camera can't see it. And you actually can see it, and it really pisses me off. So, let's delete those. Delete those. I don't know if I want to go through with all of those. Kind of experience. Goodness, it's going to be a whole lot of words. Alright, so let's go up here to our text. What? And it seems these always start out with what. Blah, 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 blah. Let me spam it, spam the word what, and change it later. Kind. Of with a V, what? Experience. I spelled it. Or. Activity. Of. Communication. Have. Which is a silly question because, I mean, everybody's like, oh, what kind of communication experience have I had outside of class? I talk to people. Done. But whatever. It ain't my job to fuck you on your birthday. Anymore. That is a Bloodhound Gang reference. Question mark. So yeah, see, and After Effects kind of keeps up with how many times you use a word, so this is of 3. So we use the word of a lot. Kind of want to move that over there. Just for whatever. Man. Alright, let's get it organized here. And by organized, I mean a clusterfuck of words. And this is just basically keyframe rotations, but it looks really cool. So, whatever. What kind? No, I don't want kind there. What kind of experience? Actually, yes, I do want kind there. Because we have 4 rows before. Stop changing things, and like just as before, you can nitpick and get them all evenly lined up and stuff. I'm just gonna do this quick. Kind of experience. Oh, or is not capitalized. You come here. Oh. Kind of match your O's up. Kind of experience. Or. Of goes there too. Of goes there as well. I think. Kind of experience. Or activity. Oh, that's my jam. Sorry, gotta go like this. Get out of here. Love this song. Might turn it up. You might hear it. Be okay. Kind of experience or activity of communications. I'm just lining these up to the order that they're going to appear in. Communication. And then have is going to replace what? Have you had outside? And that's where the other one comes in. of class. So class would replace that. So we got our letters here, or we got our words here, and check 3D. So I just messed it up. Yeah. So click 3D on all your words, because what we're going to be doing is rotating them on their x-axis. Yeah. So, and each of the angles is going to change according to how it's facing the camera. So let me go ahead and drag these. Yeah, but we only want them to rotate. Well, this is the way I do it. I only want them to rotate whenever they're changing familiar words. Like, say you go from, or similar shape words, you go from of to or. You know, make it rotate then. But other than that, I think I'm going to have them just appear. I don't know, we'll see. And I had the question mark. I don't remember where it goes, but we'll have it rotate the other way. I had to rotate it vertically, not horizontally. Okay, we got some movement here at the beginning, for whatever reason. Honestly don't know what that's about. Oh, that's what that's about. Okay, so what kind of experience? Okay, that's all fine. Okay, so where we got or? Got our or right here. So let's zoom in, get some detail work here. First of all, I don't know how long that is. Time duration was. No, that's way too quick. Timing is very important on these kind of things. So we're just gonna make everything longer. At least the pauses between the words longer. So, let's see what that looks like. Okay. What kind of experience? It was decent. Okay, so our rotation between the words is kind of there. So open up of, and by the time or let's go to or and set a keyframe. Yeah, X rotation is what you want. So we set a keyframe for the or. X rotation to hit max there. So let's set X rotation for our, and go up here to the rotate thing. Or you can just use the numbers. I want that to kind of fall forward. I judge it by whenever it looks flat and you can't see it anymore. So, but we want it to start at 0. So of, and copy that keyframe so you can drag it, because otherwise it's going to be folding the entire time. We want it to hit about there. Oh, yeah, I guess. Let's go back up to where, okay, so our or doesn't hit until later, so I'm just going to drag our or that way. I don't think it'll affect the keyframe timing. And we want it backwards, so we want that at, I think, at negative 270 or somewhere about wherever it looks flat at. I think there. And so as it comes up, will fall down. And then we're pretty much just going to repeat that process. What kind of experience? Or it's a little fast. Man. I'm trying to think if I should just leave it. Leave it fast. What kind of experience? I'll have to reset some stuff. Fine. What does it look like? Still quick. Yeah, I'm gonna make this smaller so I can see more things. What kind of experience? And it all just conglomerates. Yeah, whenever you adjust something, you pretty much gotta adjust everything. Otherwise, it all falls to pieces. Experience. Sorry, and I realize I'm leaving a lot of dead air, but it's just, I mean, it really is. It's just repetitious. What kind of experience? Or, okay, our activity hits there. And so we want experience down here to be rotating before that happens. So, I don't know, we'll plug it about. Try activity out there too. Transform. What activity hit there, I guess. X rotation. Start at the beginning. And we want it backwards. So negative 96. Boom. We want experience to go forward. So let's put one there. Let's see what the keyframe for activity is. Oop. Just want these kind of move at the same pace. Just match your keyframes up and make that one fall forward until you see that it's flat. There. So now let's see what kind of experience or activity. And you know, it says what kind or activity, but I mean, if you're reading it, it flows okay. Experience or activity. We got of coming in too quick. Go back down to our OR. Pretty much copy that keyframe and paste it there. And then drag it to whenever of is all the way up and have it fall forward. Until it's flat. Go back down to activity. Again, copy that keyframe, put that there. Fast forward to whenever you want communication to pop up. And rotate it forward. And I don't necessarily want what to rotate, so if you press Alt and then close bracket, or sorry, Control. Nope, hold on. That was Alt and yeah, Alt and close bracket. It'll cut it off there. I do that for kind too, because those can just disappear for me. If you had outside, and then whenever a class comes in, classic communication, those two are pretty far apart. It's kind of tricky to see whenever it's invisible, because whenever you're seeing, like, I use yellow text, so as soon as I see no yellow and I see all red, I'm like, oh, okay, that's at least a decent spot. Actually, I should have went back. Put a keyframe there. Something hitting the old stopwatch does. Yeah. And the question mark will have. Let's drag it. Well, I have it flip out. Flip out vertically instead of horizontally, just for sags. So in this one, we'll make it a Y rotation. And make it swing out from the back. Boom. So, I mean, this is going to be really fast, but just to see what it looks like. And go ahead and put motion blur on all of them, just because. And we'll preview this and see what it looks like. It's gonna be really fast, man. What kind of experience or of activity? Oh, yeah, what kind of experience or activity have you had outside of class? I'll say that again. What kind of experience or activity of communication have you had outside of class? Yep, boom. So there you go. Basic text rotation stuff.